Let's create a cool day and night picture with reflection. Get a piece of paper that can handle paint and fold it in half along the short side. The fold line divides your paper into two equal halves. Draw a big circle in the middle of that fold line. It helps to trace around a cup. You can measure to find the exact center if you like, but it's perfectly fine if it's a little off. Get your tempera or acrylic paints and choose warm colors like yellow, orange, and red. You will also need white. Paint the circle completely white. Then paint the top half of your paper with one of your warm colors. I am using yellow to make it look like a bright, glowing sun. You can wait for the paint to dry, but this time I keep going while it's still wet so the colors will blend nicely. If you have, use a flat brush. Paint broken half circles around the center circle. Use any of your warm colors in any order, and feel free to mix them. Make each half circle a little bigger than the last one, and stop when you reach the folded middle line. Now, the top half of your paper looks like a daytime sky with a huge sun painted in warm colors. Next, move to the bottom half. This time use cool colors to create a night sky, or maybe it will remind you of water. I use blue, turquoise, and purple, plus white. Start by painting the background with your chosen color. I paint mine blue. If the paint doesn't cover the paper completely at first, don't worry. Let it dry a little and add the second layer. Use your cool colors and continue the broken half circles at the bottom so they turn into full circles. Use the colors in any order, mix them together, or layer them on top of each other. Set your painting aside and let it dry completely. Take a piece of black paper and fold it in half the same way you folded the background. Along the folded edge, start drawing with a white pencil. First, draw a bumpy or wavy line close to the bottom, all the way across. On the top of that line, draw trees in different sizes. Remember, we will cut this out later. If you are not feeling confident, keep your trees simple. Instead of drawing detailed bumpy foliage, you can draw simple circles or ovals for the tops of the trees. Make sure you don't draw any trees in the center area, because we want to see the white circle in the background. When you are happy with your drawing, carefully cut out the ground and trees as one big piece. Keep the paper folded while you cut, so your shape will be perfectly symmetrical. Take your time and cut slowly. When you open the paper, you will see that every tree has a perfect mirror image. That creates the reflection. Use some scrap paper to protect your table, then apply glue to the back of your cutout. The back is the side where you can see the white pencil lines. Spread the glue evenly and press it into the center of your dry background. I hope you had fun creating your day and night reflection artwork. See you in the next tutorial.